Good morning, y'all. I am sitting here at the Coastal Cosmetics in Jacksonville, Florida. Last night I sneezed and it felt like I tore a muscle or something. This pain is like ridiculous. I cannot, it got worse throughout the night, and I just hope this is something that's normal, because I'm a little bloated, but I've been, have my faja on, but this pain feels very scarce. I can't even explain it. All I did was sneeze. I haven't lifted anything heavy. I just hope everything goes okay today, because I don't have an appointment. I called, so it had to be that serious for me, to where I couldn't even move last night. So I hope everything is okay, y'all. So just pray for this healing process, which is very, very important. I'm so tired because I've been up all night. But y'all keep me in your prayers, because I hope it's nothing serious. Now I'll let you guys know what they say when I leave out of here. Thanks for watching. Good morning. I left the doctor's office and they said that they couldn't see anything, but it's definitely swollen. Like, my stitches are swollen. You can literally tell from this side I can press and this side I cannot. This whole area right here. She said that the doctor was in surgery, so that he's gonna call me when he gets out, and he may want to look at it a little bit further. But until then, they're gonna prescribe me a muscle relaxer and some pain medication. But when I tell you, this hurt more than anything, and I haven't had any problems with my muscle, and that's the sneeze that I did was like extremely, oh my God, it was so hard. And I was holding my stomach like this before I sneezed, and I guess that wasn't enough because it was so deep down, to where I can feel the pain of it. And then now it's like at 5 o'clock yesterday evening, but at 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock, that's when the pain was like intense, very bad. I just pray that it's nothing serious, but I just wanted to give you guys an update on what the nurse said, and I will keep you guys updated for this entire process, of course, as well as you have to be mindful of what you're doing. But I have not done anything extreme. I haven't lifted a box. The only thing that I can recall is me sneezing, and that's it. So ladies, be careful with your recovery process. And I've sneezed before, something like that, and I was able to hold my stomach and do the same thing, and just to apply a little pressure so it won't feel as bad. But I guess this one from yesterday was really deep, to where it caused that muscle to strain even though I was holding it. So guys, thank you for watching again, and I will, if you like what you hear, or just to support, please like, share, and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And thank you on this journey of my surgery journey. And then I have more things coming to you guys once I complete this whole process of the surgery. Thank you for watching again, and y'all have a great day. Thank you.